and welcome to my channel, YouTube channel Decode 103. This is the Mahindra treo electric vehicles charger, and this is out of order due to application of 440 volt AC. You know Mahindra company electric vehicles charger module. This board contains a PFC circuit and SMPS circuit. This is a single phase metering IC, and this one is Atmel series microcontroller, and this is a 4-channel optical isolator. Most of the SMD ICs are from Texas Instrument. Be careful when you open this module from the closed box. Look here. During opening, the track is broken. And this one is the high power protection module that is burned during the application of 440 volt AC. Thank you for watching videos of YouTube channel Decode 103.